what type of payment method do you accept?
You can pay us by using PayPal. Do you use PayPal?
No, here, no, PayPal, no.
PayPal or Payoneer or Zoom?
Anyway, the common method that I know is mostly it's using a card direct.
Card. Yes, you can. Then I have to manage it. Yes, I have a card. So, okay. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you the payment information. Then you can pay him.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello,
Yeah. How are you, sir?
I'm okay. Sahong, how are you?
Yeah, we are doing very well. If you have no issue, can you open your camera, please?
Okay, I'm just 2 minutes away from home. Let me reach home. I'll open soon.
Okay.
I'm from the shopping mall. I'm going home.
Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you so much.
What is your name?
Graham is my name.
Graham. Okay, okay. So, Graham, can I start my presentation?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining with us. You can see in here two person. My name is Rifat Shorkar and Shuhad. He is my team member and my student also. And actually, he is reach out to you and he will work with you actually. And I am his team member. And we are from Bangladesh, as you know. And we are providing digital marketing, all type of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You know, you have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic, get more visitors in your channel. Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. Right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you. You can go ahead.
Okay. No, thank you very much for taking your time and as well as trying to share what could be the best to make sure that success is attained on YouTube. You know, being a YouTuber, I'm sure I've realized it's not an easy thing, but you need expertise also to be involved for you to see maybe the desired results at the end of the day. So maybe my first question is, you are a company that deals with SEO. I mean, as you said, and then in different categories. Maybe I am too early, but maybe that's the only question that I have at the moment. Maybe if it lasts maybe for some minutes, maybe I can ask other things. In terms of charges, how do these goes? Let's say we go for organic, not necessarily the paid apps and stuff like that. No, but the organic one.
Yes. Organic work, it will be better. It's very effective for long time. So we will recommend you, of course, organic.
Okay. So how are your charges?
Yeah, our charges. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, entry package, and weekly package. In this package, we have to completely optimize your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, and including organic promotion like social media promotion. Your 10 videos, okay? And our 10 videos charge is only $120 US. And also we have another and monthly package that's called our premium package. In this package, we have to completely optimize, completely SEO optimization your 30 videos. Okay. Completely SEO optimization your 30 videos and including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization. And our 30 videos and premium package cost is only $300 US. But if you choose the premium package for first month and trial month, my boy Shohak, he can make you some discount to $300 to $200 if you choose the premium package for first month. And after 1 month, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with our work, then you can hire us for a long time.
Okay. I hear you. I get it.
Yeah.
So, if I may recap, you said the basic plan is only 10 videos, which is $120, right?
Yes.
And then for a month, like maybe 30 videos,
30
includes
videos.
full optimization of the channel, which is the 200, 300. If it's to go for a month, you said there'll be a discount of maybe $100, which you'll be be $200, right?
Yes, for first month. Yes, our
For
monthly
first
package
month.
cost is
Okay.
$300, and for
Okay.
first month, 300 to 200. That means $100 discount for you. And if you satisfied with our work, then you can hire my boy for a long time to $250 every month if you satisfied.
Okay. Okay. Maybe for a first time, since it's just something that I need to try, maybe let me try to organize maybe for the just maybe 10 videos and see how best it can work. And then I'll be able to see from there if it's to have a long-term workshop, or maybe it depending on the result that may come. Yeah.
Okay. Of course, you can see our first week result after 1 week. If you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with our work, then you can hire us long time. No problem.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. We need your channel access permission, but still no need your channel login information like email and password. That we no need because it's your privacy. We just need your channel access as a manager or as an editor. Do you know how to give access as a manager or editor?
Yes, I know.
Okay. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you his email address. Then you can make him as a manager or as an editor. Then he can work on your channel. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
So, maybe the other thing is, what type of payment method do you accept?
You can pay us by using PayPal. Do you use PayPal?
No, here, no, PayPal, no.
PayPal or Payoneer or Zoom.
Anyway, the common method that I know is mostly it's using a card direct.
Card. Yes, you can. Then I have to manage it. Yes, I have a card. So, okay. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you the payment information. Then you can pay him.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you have any more question?
No questions.